Hi everyone. The world of talking avatars is nothing new. We already today have some companies like Synthesia, Hagen, or DID that give you the service where you upload an image, you upload an audio file, and it generates amazing lip sync with great results, and already you can use it for all kinds of needs. You can create virtual assistants, you can create virtual salesmen, or even a virtual presenter in your website or application or things like that. But in today's video, we're going to present the next step of this technology with not only talking avatar, but actually singing avatar, and the results are unbelievable to the level that you cannot even distinguish them from being an actual talking person. So let's take a look and see what the future holds. So we're going straight forward to the website of this group, Human AIGC. The link, of course, is in the description. So we're going to go straight ahead to their GitHub page. Currently, there's not much here. They only presented the demo of the project. There is no source code to download yet. So it is only a project in a process. And we're going to scroll down a bit. And here they explain a little bit about technology and how it works. Basically, you upload a reference image, you upload an input audio, and using diffusion models, they have here a diffusion process. They actually generate all the animation of the talking avatar. Unlike other talking avatars, the results here are phenomenal for three main reasons. The first reason is that it generates the entire movement. The avatar can actually open its mouth and you will see its teeth and its tongue, undistinguishable from reality, because it actually regenerates the entire image of this avatar every frame by frame by frame. The second thing is that if the avatar moves its head, you can actually see the background being regenerated. So if, for example, this avatar will move its head, take a look when I will play the video, the background behind it is being regenerated and you can actually see information that wasn't there before. And the third thing is that because it's being regenerated every time, it is not limited with motion. If you use today's services, you will probably find that the avatars must be in front of the camera and not move, and you can add some motion or some pre-recorded motion to the body, but it has to be pretty much in the same position without sharp head movements. In this case, you will see that the head moves according to the words being said. If the sound sounds happy, you will see that the avatar gives you some happiness hints in its movement. And instead of me drilling you, let's just take a look at the first example. So this is actually, you know what, I'm going to leave the singing for later. We're going to start with the talking because the singing just blew my mind. So we'll start here. They took an image of Audrey Caitlin and let's hear what she has to say.
When I was a kid, I feel like you heard the term, don't cry. You don't need to cry. Crying is the most beautiful thing you can do. I encourage people to cry. I cry.
Look at the consistency of the image. Look at the motions. Look at the eyes blinking, at the mouth opening. You can see here that the mouth is open and you can see the teeth. You can see it doesn't look twisted.
Cry all the time. And I think it's the most healthy experience.
Well, I got to show you this for a second. Just look at the lower teeth. It actually regenerated the lower teeth of the character, where in the original image you cannot see the internals of the mouth. You can simply see the line of teeth and the lips. So just
healthy expression of how you're feeling. And I sometimes wish I just could have been told.
Unbelievable. Let's take the same text and see it on a more virtual character.
When I was a kid, I feel like you heard the term, don't cry. You don't need to cry. Crying is the most beautiful thing you can do. I encourage people to cry. I cry all the time.
And let's see some Mona Lisa coming to life.
Yes. One. And in this manner, he was to imagine me his love.
Unbelievable. I'm not going to go over all the examples. Just go to the link in the description and see for yourself. It looks unbelievable. And now let's take it to the singing part, which completely blew my mind. The singing actually blew my mind completely because it's a whole different It's one thing to talk, to create a talking avatar where the moves are quite similar and very minimal. But here in the singing, it opens wide. It opens the mouth wide. The movements are amazing. The Inonas. Let's just take a look.
We were good, we were gold. Can the dream that can be so? We were right till we weren't. Build a home that.
Look at it, completely turned the head. Let's take a look at the second example. Some of you might recognize this avatar from the OpenAI's Sora AI video generation. So they actually took one frame for it and they implemented the speech synthesis on it.
Did a full 180, crazy, thinking about the way I was. Did the heartbreak change me? Maybe.
One of the amazing things here is look at the reflections of the glasses. Although if you take good look, you will see that the reflections don't really change with the movements of the head, but it's very neglectable. And if that's the only issue with the model, I'll be excited and enthusiastic about it. So go into this site. Unfortunately, this model is not yet open to the public. You can scroll up and go to their official GitHub page, and you will see that there is no source code yet, only teaser about what's to come. There are some comments of people actually fearing that it is a fake. I don't think that it's fake. It looks very genuine, but hopefully this technology will meet us. I guess that at some point it was expected that the technology will arrive to such levels, and I'm really excited to get my hands on such technology. I think we can generate amazing things with such things. So there's no doubt that the technologies these days are advancing so fast, and the things that you can generate with nothing but a simple computer in your home is unbelievable. You can actually take an image generated completely from text. You can add animation to it, and then you can add lip syncing and audio for it. You can use tools like 11 Labs to actually generate new voice to your character. It's pretty amazing, and there's no doubt that this technology can be either used for great good or for a lot of harm. So I think it's important to be ahead of the game and understand what are the technologies that are available today. I already see some commercials of Mark Zuckerberg talking and Elon Musk talking, which is very obvious today that these commercials are fake, telling people they should invest in their companies, in their applications and things like that. It's very obvious that it's fake today, but I think that in the next few years, I think it will be almost indistinguishable from reality. So it is important to get to know these tools. So that said, I hope you had a good time. I would like to hear in the comments what you think the future will bring with such technologies. And if you like it, please subscribe and see you on the next video.